Welcome back, children of grade 8, for our day 7 session of reading and writing class. Before getting into today's session of reading and writing class, let's see today's value. That is, children, keep reading. It's one of the most marvelous adventures anyone can have. So, children, don't stop reading because reading makes you an excellent person. Children, make use of this golden opportunity to improve your reading and writing skills. Children, let's start. Take your textbook Honeydew, page number 14. Chapter 1. The title of the chapter, The Best Christmas Present in the World. Children, are you ready? Shall we start read? Yes. Take your Honeydew book, page number 14. Okay, as a continuation, we are reading the same letter that was written by Jim Macpherson to Goni Macpherson. Okay, so let's continue. Read this first word. Look at the first word, children. Dearest, D-E-A-R-E-S-T, dearest. C-O-N-N-I-E, Connie, C-O-N-N-I-E, Connie. Dearest Connie, by Christmas, C-H-R-I-S-T, M-A-S, Christmas, T-I-M-E, time, Christmas time. Next, N-E-X-T, next. Year, Y-E-A-R, year. T-H-I-S, this. W-A-R, war. W-I-L-L, will. B-E-B, N-O-T-H-I-N-G, nothing, no thing, nothing. B-U-T, but, D-S, D-I-S, dis, T-A-N-T, distant, D-I-S, dis, T-A-N-T, distant, tent, distant, okay, and, A-N-D, and, T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E, what is this word, children? Terrible, terrible, T-E-R, ter, re, R-I-re, B-L-E, bill, terrible, terrible. Next, M-E, may, M-O-R-Y, mori, memory, okay, so it is memory, okay, so that's all from the first sentence, children. Shall we read? Dearest Connie, my Christmas time next year. This war will be nothing but a distant and terrible memory. So that's all. Let's move on to the next sentence. I-K-N-O-W, know. I know, F-R-O-M, from. I know from, A-L-L, all, T-H-A-T, that. H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D, H-A-P, hap, P-E-N, pen, E-D, ed, happened, okay, happened, T-O, D-A-Y, day, today. H-O-W, how, H-O-W, how. M-U-C-H, much, B-O-T-H, both. A-R-M-I-E-S, R, mees, A-R-R-M-I-E-S, mees, armies. L-O-N-G, long, F-O-R, for. P-E-A-C-E, peace, P-E-A-C-E, peace. Shall we read this sentence, children? Yes. I know from all that happened today how much both armies long for peace. Okay? Yes. Let's continue. V, W-E-V, S-H-A-L-L, shall. S-H-A-L-L, shall. B-E-B, B-E-B, to, T-O, to, G-E-T-H-E-R, gather, together, together. A-G-A-I-N, again, sorry, A-A, G-A-I-N, gain, again, again. So, together, together, A-G-A-I-N, again. S-O-O-N, soon, S-O-O-N, soon. Okay, children. I'm, I apostrophe M. How to pronounce this word, children? I apostrophe M, I'm. I'm sure. S-U-R-E, sure. O-F, of. I-T, it. I'm sure of it. Okay, children. Let's read this sentence, children. We shall be together again soon. We shall be together again soon. I'm sure of it. So that's all from the letter written by Jim to Coney. Okay, let's continue this passage, children. The next part, third part, will continue. Look at the first word, first sentence. I, F-O-L-D, fold, E-D, erd, folded. I folded the letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter, A-G-A-I-N, again, S-L-I-P-P-E-D, slipped, S-L-I-P-P-E-D, slipped. And slipped it, it, C-A-R-E, C-A-R-E, care, F-U-L-L-Y, fully, carefully, B-A-C-K, back, into, I-T-S, it's, E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E, envelope. That's all, children. Let's read the sentence. I folded the letter again and slipped it carefully back into its envelope. Envelope. Okay. E-N-N-V-E-L-O-P, envelope. Then I-K-E-P-T, kept. What is meant by kept, children? The past tense form of keep. K-E-E-P, keep, is kept. I kept awake, W-A-K-E, wake, awake, all, A-L-L, all, N-I-G-H-T, night. I kept awake all night. Okay, children. Next sentence. B-Y, by, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. By morning, I, K-N-E-W, knew, K-N-E-W, knew, W-H-A-T, what? What is meant by knew? The past tense form of know, K-N-O-W, know. Past tense form, K-N-E-W, knew. Okay, children. So knew what I had to do. So let's read the sentence. By morning, I knew what I had to do. Yes, I drove, D-R-O-V-E, D-R-O-V-E. What is that? Drove. What is meant by drove? The past tense form of drive, D-R-I-V-E, drive. Past tense form is drove, D-R-O-V-E, drove. Okay, children. Into Bridport, B-R-I-D, Brid, P-O-R-T, port, Bridport. Okay, children. Bridport. Pronounce it properly. J-U-S-T, just, a few, F-E-W, few, M-I-L-E-S, miles, away. I, yes, that's all from the line. Let's read. I drew into Bridport, just a few miles away. Okay, children. Yes, let's continue. I-A-S-K-E-D, asked. I asked plus ed, asked. I asked a V-O-Y, boy, W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. We should not pronounce it as walking. It is wrong. We should pronounce it as walking. Okay. So walking, H-I-S, his, D-O-G, dog, W-H-E-R-E, where, C-O-P-P-E-R, copper, B-E-E-C-H-E-S, beaches, copper, beaches, W-A-S, was. Okay, children. Let's read this line. I asked a boy walking his dog where copper beaches was. Okay. Yes. Let's continue. H-O-U-S-E. What is this word, children? House. N-U-M-B-E-R, number. House number 12. Turned, T-U-R-N-E-D, turned, T-U-R-N, turn, E-D, ed, turned, O-U-T, out, to be, N-O-T-H-I-N-G, nothing, but a burned, B-U-R-N-E-D, burned, O-U-T, out, burned out, S-H-E-L-L, shell, burned out shell. The roof, the R-O-O-F, roof, gapping, G-A-P-I-N-G, gapping. The W-I-N, win, D-O-W-S, doors, windows, windows. Boarded, B-O-A-R-D-E-D, boarded, U-P, up, boarded up. Okay, boarded up. Let's read this line, children. House number 12 turned out to be nothing but a burnt out shell. The roof gapping, the windows boarded up. I knocked, K-N-O-C-K-E-D. What is this word, children? Knocked, K-N-O-C-K, knock, K-N-O-C-K, knock, E-D, knocked. I knocked at the house, H-O-U-S-E, house. I knocked at the house next door, N-E-X-T, next, D-O-O-R, door, and asked if anyone, A-N-Y, any, O-N-E, one, anyone knew, K-N-E-W, knew the whereabouts, W-H-E-R-E, where, A-B-O-U-T-S, abouts, whereabouts, whereabouts of a Mrs. Macpherson, M-A-C, Mac, P-H-E-R, per, S-O-N, son, Macpherson. Okay, let's read the sentence, children. He knocked at the house next door and asked if anyone knew the whereabouts of a Mrs. Macpherson. Next line. O-H, O, yes, O-E-S, yes, oh yes, said, S-A-I-D, said the old man, O-L-D, old, M-A-N, man, old man, in, I-N, in, H-I-S, his, in his slippers, S-L-I-P, slip, P-R-S, purse, slippers. Okay, he, H-E, he, K-N-E-W, knew, K-N-E-W, knew, H-E-R, her, W-E-L-L, well. Yes, that's all from this line, children. Let's read. Oh yes, said the old man in his slippers. He knew her well. Yes. Next line. L-O-V-E, love, L-Y-L-E, lovely. A lovely, O-L-D, old, L-A-D-Y, lady. A lovely old lady. He, T-O-L-D, told. He told me a bit, B-I-T, bit, M-U-D-D-L-E, muddle, M-U-D, mud, D-L-E, dill, muddle, H-E-A-D-E-D, headed, muddle, headed, B-U-T, but, A-T, at, H-E-R, her, A-G-E-H, S-H-E, she, W-A-S, was, E-N-N-T-I, tie, T-L-E-D, tilled, entitled, to be, wasn't she, W-A-S-N apostrophe T, that should be pronounced as wasn't. The full form of this word is was not. Full form is was not, but the short form we have to pronounce it as wasn't. Okay, children, wasn't she. Okay, so let's read this line, children. A lovely old lady, he told me, a bit muddle-headed, but at her age she was entitled to be, wasn't she? Yes. Next line. H-U-N, hun, D-R-E-D, dread, 100. 100 and ONE 1 YEARS years old 101 years old. She had been had been she had been in the house when it caught caught fire. She had been in the house when it caught fire. Next line. Look at the next line. No, no. ONE 1 REALLY really. KNEW new. KNEW knee. No one really knew HOW how the FIRE fire had STARTED started, but it could could well have been candles. Okay children, let's read the slide. No one really knew how the fire had started, but it could well have been candles. She. Let's see, look at the next line. She used. She used DLES candles. She used candles rather than electricity. What is this word, children? Electricity. Very good. It is electricity. Electricity. Because because she always thought electricity was too expensive. Okay children, let's read this line. She used candles rather than electricity because she always thought electricity was too expensive. Okay, let's read the next line. Next sentence. The fireman, fire man, the fireman had got her out just in time. The fireman had got her out just in time. She was in a nursing nursing home now. He told me and Burlington Burlington house Burlington house on the Dorchester Road road on the other side OF of TOWN town. So let's see this last line, children, for this page. She was in nursing home now. He told me Burlington house on the Porchester Road on the other side of town. Children, that's all from the reading. Let's move on to the writing part now. Children, that's all from the today's reading part. Let's move on to the writing part. Children, let's start today's writing part now. First, we need to write date. So we have written the date. Next, day 7, chapter. Chapter 1. Writing page number 14. Shall we start, right children? Write neatly. Follow the same cursive patterns, children. So look at the first line. I, F-O-L-D-E-D, folded. The letter again, A-G-A-I-N, again, A-N-D, and S-L-I-P-P-E-D, slipped. It, C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y, carefully. Into its E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E, envelope. That's all, children. Full stop. I, K-E-P-T, kept. Away. All. N-I-G-H-T, night. By M-O-R-N-I-N-G, by morning. He, K-N-E-W, he knew what I had to do. Okay, children. Next, I, D-R-O-V-E, I drew into, say, B-R-I-D-P-O-R-T, Bridport, Bridport, J-U-S-T, just a F-E-W, few, M-I-L-E-S, miles, away. First, I, A-S-K-E-D, I asked a W-A-L-K
G. What is this word, children? Walking. Walking. His dog. Walking his dog. Pear. COPPER. Copper. TEECHES. Beaches. Was. Next, HOUSE. House. NUM. Number 12. Turned out to be NOTHING. Nothing. But a burnt out shell. That's all from this today writing, children. So write neatly everything with date, session, chapter, page number. Then you need to write this paragraph, children. That's all from the today's writing. Follow the same writing pattern. Write neatly and write slowly. Maintain the handwriting notebook properly. That's all. I'll catch you with another handwriting video soon.
Children, before winding up the session, let's recall the value again. That is, keep reading. It's one of the most marvelous adventures anyone can have. So, keep on reading, children, to do all the adventurous things in the world.